Yo, what's good? What's good, my people? Hope everybody's feeling great. Got good energy. Staying motivated. Keeping the ball rolling. Making the sacrifices they need to make in order to leave a legacy. That's right. You already know what time it is with us. It's late nights and early mornings, and that's what we do. Right now, we're getting ourselves together to go out to create an experience for the people who support us in our business. That's Auntie Rose Cafe. Yeah, so I just wanted to stop in, man. I ain't gonna hold you too long. I just wanted to stop in and tell you guys, keep pushing, keep praying, keep the distractions out of your way. But we always gotta remember, distracted people distract people. We're gonna outwork the work. Peace.